Hey there, welcome again to another Clean Multiplayer Lite tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can set a custom spawn point for your player. So, let's begin. This is a fresh import of Clean Multiplayer Lite, and the first thing we'll have to do is get the location we want. So if we head to scenes and go to the game scene and open the scene view, you should see the scene. Now, if we want to place the character in a specific location, we have to know the coordinates for that location. And to do that, we can open the network prefabs and get the player prefab. This is the player that's going to get spawned. And we can place it anywhere in the scene that we want to spawn. I'll spawn it there. And you see here in the transform component that the position has certain values. If we change the values, the character will move. And if we want him to spawn here, all we have to do is save these coordinates. So I'll just copy this one. Actually, no. I'll just copy this one because it's difficult to remember. And I'll remember this. And then I'll head to the menu scene. There you go, scenes, menu. Don't save. And then in the Fusion Manager, you see this section called Player Spawn Location. First, we have to enable the Use Custom Location. And here we can paste the position values. I already copied the Z position, and I can remember that the X is 9.66. But you can also use the clipboard if you use Windows. If not, just try to remember them. Now that that's done, we can play. And if all goes well, and I connect, I should spawn next to the tunnel. And there it is. That's the tunnel. So, thank you very much for watching this tutorial. And I'll see you in another one. Bye bye.